So I was originally gonna make this and pop this video into my vlog, but I'm deciding to just make a separate video. So yeah, so I can post it earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna start again. Today I'm making a coconut fish curry with jasmine rice. And so I've already cut up some of the ingredients, I should say. So over here we have some red chili, have some beautiful ginger, then there is some garlic and onions, and we have some of the other ingredients here as well that I'll be using. Where's the other one? This is the shrimp paste right here, which I will also be using. And on this side is where the magic is gonna happen. So yeah, let's get into it. So my camera had died, so now I'm using my iPhone. So now I'm just gonna turn this beauty on. There we go. Hello, there we go. I'm just gonna make it a little bit, just a tiny bit, not too much. That's enough, good. Okay, so then we're gonna pop vegetable oil. Okay guys, so here we have all the ingredients that will be going into this saucepan here. Chili, lemongrass, onion, ginger, and garlic. So let's get to it. I'm gonna quickly pop the onion into the saucepan. Straight away so we can saute in there nicely. So now we're going to add these babies, including our beautiful shrimp paste over here. I'm just going to pop that in. Okay, so now I'm adding the garlic, the ginger, the red chili. I'm not going to put too much, I'm just going to put like half of it. And the lemongrass, and I'll show you what that looks like at the moment. I'm gonna turn up the heat just a little bit. Here we have the shrimp paste. I'm going to add some of the shrimp paste into the mix. Just going to grab this out of the... This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see. But this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to grab a scissor and I'm going to pop some into the sauce. add some of the curry powder into the mix. There isn't that much left. Sorry, there isn't that much left in this. It's literally like a teaspoon. So I'm gonna have to open the new one that I got today to kind of add a little bit more. And then I'm going to use some palm sugar. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little pack like this. I got it from like the Thai market down the road. So I'm just going to use that. It will dissolve during the stirring process, so it's all good. I've used it before. I'm not going to put too much. Okay, so my camera is now working and I'm going to pop in some of this fish sauce to the mix. It smells so freaking good. Grab some lime that I got earlier. Cut it in half. I'm doing this in case it has seeds inside. I'm gonna wash my hands. To add the coriander stems. Sauce. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Okay. Now I'll add the coconut milk. It's the one I'm using. You can see. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Going to add the fish. Okay, now wash my hands. Give you a little look of the dish. Apparently added the fish, and I'm also going to add the shrimp as well. I might add some more coconut milk into the dish. Here are the prawns. I'm using Tiger Prawns. One just went inside. I'm not taking off the shell for this one. I'm just going to place the prawns into the dish. All the prawns in, like I said, only just a couple. Then I'm gonna open the other coconut milk that I was talking about, just because I feel like it needs just a little bit more coconut milk. Personally, I'm just gonna add probably like half of it. Yeah. Cool. Like a little bit of a mix. Now I'm going to add just a bit of water. I'm going to pop the water into here. Not too much water, just like a little bit of water. Okay, so it's boiling. I'm gonna let this simmer for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come and check it. I'm just going to use a oil to cover it, and I'm gonna keep it at low heat. Pop it on like so. I will come and check it in the next 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it is finally finished. It tastes incredible. I'm so happy with the results. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry also, so hope you enjoy this video. I will leave some images of the preparation that goes with this. Well, my preferred things. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and loads of love. Come back and we can cook again together, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye. Bon appétit!